Digital engineering is not a new concept. It's been around industry for a very, very long time, and it's actually about using digital tools and digital environments to create single authoritative sources of data and make digital models so that we can test and validate and save cost and time. Mission engineering is really the application of digital engineering to a defence context, and it's focused on their ability to define missions and then use digital engineering processes and mechanisms to be able to define potential capability solutions. Digital engineering is used extensively across the mining industry, and as is the tools and digital software to assess and model and validate mining capabilities. We see it in the car industry. It's really expensive to try and build cars to test them all the time. You use a digital environment to do that, use digital engineering. We have it in our own defence industry. So the OEMs that provide ships and boats and tanks to defence often use digital engineering and models-based systems engineering as a subset as part of their processes. The difference here is that mission engineering and using that digital engineering approach lifts the level up around the type of fidelity information and maps those solutions to the defence need.